I want us to talk about this gold trade. Analysis was very simple, and I took this trade yesterday and it never took time to play out. So this is before. You can try to maybe pause this video and try to zoom around this zone. This is February 6th and today is February 7th. So that was before, and now you can see after. So let me just take you through what happened. Analysis was quite simple, went to the daily, just like that, and you can see that my chart was kind of clean. So I did draw my trend line, first touch, second and third. Now I saw that price kind of gave me that fourth touch, and I was like, okay, that trend line quite proved to me that it was sensitive and it was that strong. So I said, okay, let me now start looking for my buy position. So let me just rewind and show you how the market was looking like. So this is the case. So I went to the 1 hour as usual. Now started looking for my buy entry position, and let me just show you something. So during this period, I said, okay, now before I enter my trade, I need to check my economic calendar. I need to understand, is there any news that might interrupt my trade? So that is why I prefer Fastbull. So fastbull.com, link in the description, guys. I use this to confirm my entry position, whether the market is safe. All right, is there an impact news? So this was Wednesday, and there was no news that could have interfered with my trade. So this is fastbull.com, link in the description. So now I waited for price as usual to take out the last high, the last lower high. So this is what the market did. Let me just adjust this as usual, guys. This was a very tricky trade. Let me just take you back. This trade was quite crazy, but as long as you understand what you're doing, then I believe everything was amazing. So this is the case, guys. I made my buy position after price broke out of this zone. So the moment the market closed with this hour candle, I started looking for my buy position. Now there was a new candlestick that opened, and as it played, let me just do this once again. That was fast. Let me take you back to the 15 now. As the market opened, as the new candlestick opened, let's take it back. So now as this candlestick opened, it started going down. So the moment it was going down, I said, okay, let me take that opportunity and take a buy entry right here. You can see that is where I made that buy position. So as usual, guys, let me just take you back to my Telegram. You see this is gold before. Once again, gold before. Try to zoom. February 6th 0605 UTC, and now after that was February 6 1537 UTC. That nothing's edited, guys, everything was real. So this is when the market was currently playing. All right, so this is the account. This was my funded account. I'm using the Forex funder, guys. Have amazing offers that you should grab the opportunity. So let's continue. So as the moment I did take a buy on this joint, guys, of course I expect pullback. So you see the market started doing this, guys. Now during this period, I said, let me just walk away from this market. After making my entry position, I said, let me just walk away and avoid the madness that the market as usual will give me. You see, so guys, the market wanted to take me out, so it missed me with only 2 pips and I could have been out. Okay, so only 2 pips, this market could have taken me out. And you see it was hunting stop loss. It was hunting stop loss. So now respecting, so the reason why I have this level right here is because now price kind of played around this level for a while before going up. It played, that means it respected this level. So the moment it went up, I expected this pullback. Okay, right. So now that is why I had my stop loss below here. So initially my stop loss was right here. This was my stop loss right here, but I said no way, let me just make my stop loss tighter right here around 59 pips, so that now if this market tries to take this level right here, then that means if this market takes this low, let me just show you, if this market takes out this low, then that means the next level that this market will try to go and retest is this level. So it might got all the way down, then wick me out, then now that is when it goes. But remember now, this is a whole profit that no, I was not supposed to risk, or that was a very bad risk, So I decided to make it more tight, so that if it decides to take me out, then let me close my position early enough, so the market still, you see, hunting stops. That was almost once again. So those are the weeks that I'm talking about. So let me just say, for example, I made my stop loss right here tighter. Of course, the market could have taken me out. You see, the market could have taken me out. But then I said, let me just give this market room to breathe, because I understand the market usually give weeks, takes people out, then that is when it goes to your anticipated direction. So the market did this, went up, still going this, then boom, broke. Then that's okay. So you see, the market started shooting all the way up, which was amazing. So I came back and found that the market had already pushed all the way up. Initially, I had no trend line right here. This trend line was not there. So my take profit was this level. But then when I came back, I said, no way, the market had a trend right here, first time, second time. Then I said, no, this market might go all the way up, respect this trend. Then now that is when it continues dropping to go back to respect this level, or to retest this level. That is when it might gain momentum to break all the way up. So I say, let me be safe. So this was not a swing trade. Basically, it was like sort of a day trading thing. That was 100 pip, risking 50 to go for 100. So it was like a risk to reward of 1 to 2, which is not a bad thing. So price did this thing, and yes, after that it smashed, take profit, and now this is a current price. Let me just take you back. So this is that happened overnight. This is what the market was doing overnight. I believe that's all. So this is the current market price for gold. Okay, and I'm done with gold. Like I said before, I already showed you guys this is before even hitting the take profit, guys. Yesterday, this is an hour candle. So I'm done with gold unless I see good opportunity. You see how that the analysis was great. So I'm looking out for GBP NZD. GBP NZD was a good trade though. I had eyes on GBP NZD from Monday, I believe so, but I missed on that entry the way. But then, anyway, I'll just have to wait and see what the market will be doing and respect that. Okay, GBP NZD, I might be looking for buys. That is after market maybe goes all the way down and touch this support of mine, then respects, shows me a reversal, then now go all the way up. That is what I'm looking out for on GBP NZD. And also we had something, let me see, Euro Aussie. Okay, Euro Aussie, remember we had analysis on this, guys, live trade. If you missed that, watch out the video that I uploaded on Sunday. We had a live Zoom meeting on this, and I said, the market, let me just take you back when we were talking about this joint on Sunday. I said, the market might not go all the way up, because it might reverse from this level and now go back to this zone, in respect to this trend over here that we're seeing. We had a first touch, second touch. Now I'm expecting the market to give me a third touch. That is when the market gains momentum to break this level right here and maybe go all the way up. So in respect, in fact, this should be the level. Let me just adjust this. No need to be greedy. Right here. So in respect to this trend, okay, first touch, second touch, we also need that third touch. First touch, second touch, and now the market is going to give us the third touch. So now during Monday, Tuesday, and now this is what the market has been doing. Let me just hit that. Where are you? Why is trading view lagging? Okay, just a minute. I don't know if it's my connection, but let's see. Okay, so now Monday, Tuesday, and today is Wednesday. The market has respected our anticipation. Now we should be looking for buy opportunities. That is, if we see one. Okay, so now I should expect a reversal on this level right here. Let me just take it back. This is on Euro Aussie, basically. So now I should be removing this. Okay, and adjust this to maybe this level right here. So I need to see how price is going to approach. Of course, we are at that support zone, but at the same time we have a trend right here. So it's like, how many pips? It's like something like 50 pips, and I'm not going to fall for this buy entry right here, because I need price to respect or go and retest this trend of mine, because price, the market is the market, yo. It might give us all this type of a play, then now drops. That is when we get an entry right here. The reason why I'm talking about that type of a play, remember, we still have a trend right here that the market might be trying to respect. At the same time, if we try to make our trends from this level right here, this is what I'm talking about, the market might do this, in respect to that, give us a third touch, because 1, 2, 3, then now drops massively. So that's the kind of manipulation that I won't fall for. All right, so this is the kind of a play that I should be looking out for on Euro Aussie. That is when I should say, okay, this is safe to take a buy on it. So those are just signals that I just gave you, gang. Let me just see another one. Oil. Yes, oil. If you trade oil, there's something also on oil. Yeah, now on oil we have an opportunity that we should be going up, but at the same time there's also a trend that this joint must respect, and we understand how it plays out. That is when we make a decision. So we need to see how price is going to react to this level. As usual, give us that, now breaks. That is when we execute our oil position. So that's the case, because we higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high until the most. So those are just trades that you should be patient on. Let me see some on NAS. Of course, I had something on US 30. If you trade US 30, I did analyze US 30 too. Now on US 30, price is in an uptrend. Let me just see that. Just a minute. US 30. Where are my drawings, son? Oh yeah, my drawings. I had, yeah, right there. Oh, already I see price broke. I did this analysis yesterday, and of course I anticipated that type of a break. So right now I'll make this as a resistance. Of course, now I need to see how price is going to give me a bullish flag. That is when I now have to take a buy position. So let me see what price is doing at the 15-minute. Okay, so okay, that's what's up. So if we had this type of a play, probably I should see, okay, now price already started reversing to the down, which is a good thing. I need to see now price giving me a reversal to confirm that it is now ready for a buy entry position. That is when I'm going to take a buy on US 30. Okay, you might target this level in respect to this trend, or if you're not greedy, you might target this last high right here, right there, which is not bad thing. So come on, something like this. So this is the place that of course I should target, guys. No need to be greedy on US 30. And let me just confirm once again on first of all, if we have news today on how do you call it, on the dollar. If we have news on the dollar. Okay, so guys, I believe I did bless you, and if you want, you can join my Telegram channel, guys, link in the description. You might catch a signal. Oh guys, see how this is amazing, this is a trend right there. You see, anything goes, guys. You try, anything goes. This is amazing. So US 30 is my next trade, baby. This is my next trade, and I need to see how is going to play out. So right now I'm not seeing a reversal structure, so probably I need price to continue playing out. Of course I expect this pullback to retest this support of mine right there. Okay, let me just adjust this in order for me not to be dirty. Okay, so now I'll just have to do this, of course, because I've now seen this is the last higher low. So if that's the last higher low, I believe price will go back to retest this level right here. And now since it has given us a new high, I'll do this. And now if it takes that high, this is when I'll execute. Then of course your stop loss should be below this level. Okay, but you need to be safe. The market is the market. The market is the market. You need to be safe, guys. You need to be safe. Something like this. Okay, then now execute. You need to be safe. For now I'm going to watch out for this US stand, and if it doesn't happen the way I've drawn or I've anticipated, then I'm not going to take that entry position, guys. So that's it. And also, guys, I have good news right here, so you can see advance your skills. Just look at those amazing offers for the premium members. So guys are really enjoying. So you might also consider joining the gang. Look at that, amazing. So just hit me my Telegram link in the description. And adios, mi amigos, peace.